Good day, sir and madam. My name is Marvit Gabawa Caribis. I live in Barangay Manangit, Dumangas, Iloilo. I'm married and living with two children. I'm 32 years old. I graduated in Dumangas, Iskop Dumangas National High School and year 2002-2003 at the course of Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Graduate?
Yes,
Okay. You are an adjusted teacher?
not yet.
Okay, continue.
I have experience here only in the Philippines as a caretaker for the elder old woman as disabled at the age of 84 years old.
Bedridden. She's a
Disabled.
bedridden.
Yes.
So you need to carry her from bed to wheelchair, wheelchair to bed. You are
Yes.
doing that? You can manage alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in case abroad, get also patient to take her. Are you willing?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say this time it's a male patient. Are you still willing to take her?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem because
No.
you need work, of course. And your work there is not only to take care elderly or disabled person. You need to do all the household chores and of course serve all the family members. You think you can manage?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, you mentioned that you've been working before abroad.
Yes.
Okay, where?
In Carrefour hypermarket as a
Where?
cashier in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes.
So you work in Dubai for how many years?
1 year and 8 months.
What is your work there?
Cashier.
Cashier, okay.
For the meeting as a CCO.
Come again?
CCO.
What's that?
In the office.
Okay. So after in Dubai, where?
Only in the house.
Oh, no, abroad only in Dubai. Then after working in Dubai, then you went back home Philippines?
Yes.
So you went back home what year?
In 2011.
So you've been here for more than a year? No, 2 years then.
Yes.
You went back home
To August.
August 2011. Oh, okay. So since then, what are you doing?
I'm only a taker of 2 babies.
Housewife.
House.
What's the work of your husband?
From now on is a tricycle driver.
So income not enough.
Yes.
That's why you
Yes.
apply again abroad. But this time you're a house helper. So what housework you can do?
Take care of baby, either alter, any kind of work in the house.
Like what?
Cleaning the house, swiping, washing the clothes, ironing,
How about cooking?
gardening. I cook simple dishes.
For your family, every day you did cooking?
Yes.
Okay, so you can follow instructions. Your health, any problem? Any problem with your health?
No, madam.
So you're fit to work
Yes.
and you're ready to go anytime.
Yes.
Okay, what can you assure to the employer if they will hire you?
I'm hardworking, honest, patient, and humble.
Good luck.
Thank you.